We're going to be confusing the dogs.
I know. We've done it before.
They're going to be, oh, you're home. You're home.
All right. So what do we gotta get?
Get a bag. Here, use this one.
Oh, okay.
To get all the stuff that I have on the desk.
Okay.
That we got out of the box. Oh.
You got a breath?
Yeah.
Okay, this is it right here, right?
Yep.
This is
all of
everything?
it. The deer, the soldier,
The one-legged deer.
that choker,
This, oh,
and those newspapers.
the white papers don't go, correct?
No.
Okay. All right. We're good there. I got the keys to the house.
Yeah, I think this is probably the best thing, right?
When in doubt, put it back, you know?
Yeah. I mean, maybe that is something. I know you don't always believe in it, but it is something. Maybe
I don't, but I will for this.
We opened something.
Look, Tina just laid right down there.
All right, Nina, I'm sorry, but we're leaving again. We'll be back in a little bit because, oh gosh, John, I almost fell. What's you doing? What are you doing?
I need a couple pretzels.
They're waiting for us.
Something over it.
Although Joe might be a while.
Right, that's what I mean. So, I mean,
Maybe you want to take some pretzels. Oh, you got them.
you want one?
Okay. No, all right.
Okay.
And that's everything, right?
Right.
Because I can't remember if there was anything else.
Come on, you gotta help.
I think we kept everything in the same place anyway, so there's nothing else.
Go ahead. You need a puzzle around him?
Mm-mm. I smell smoke.
Well, that's probably some idiot in a drought burning crap.
Even it smells almost like a chemical smell, doesn't it? Do you smell it?
Yeah, I do smell it. It's weird.
How come my light doesn't go on anymore?
I don't know.
What the heck's going on around here anyway? Yeah, that's bizarre.
It's life. Everything's bizarre.
Let's go.
Okay. There you go. See?
Okay. Are you nervous at all, Lad?
No, I'm just trying to. I just want it to be so that nothing can fall out of it.
Right.
You know?
I don't blame you.
More important, whatever's going in it doesn't get itself out.
Right. Yeah. Works.
See, and I have
Do
this.
you still have the chain, or like what?
Oh, that's good.
The chain.
Yes, I threw that in the shed.
Okay.
Very good.
Yeah.
What the?
And the lock. That should be
Yeah,
working,
it's
right?
all. It's still, well, we never got it off the chain. I have this one
Oh,
little
right.
gap here.
I don't think there's much that can fall through there, right?
I mean, even if I put that there, it's still going to be a gap there.
Right.
Yeah, I don't think anything. Can
You know what would go there? Liquid nails.
Yeah, right.
Remember you used to love
these-
that stuff.
I don't know. I feel like we should put something there because
Yeah.
any sort of gap in a thing is supposed to be like a sealed thing containing something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so the lid still opens up.
Oh,
I have
my
all
God.
the pieces. I have all the pieces of wood inside here.
What do you hear? Do you want this stuff now then?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
And that's everything, Laura. Did you really get the pocket watch back from Joe?
Yeah, I gotta go grab
Okay.
that.
We opened it, we
Okay.
checked.
I still can't believe you got that box back.
Let me go get the other stuff out of the inside of the house.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here. There's that stuff.
Oh,
I gotta find.
you got
a
all the
bullet.
articles in there too?
Yeah, everything's still inside that.
Oh,
Okay.
good, good.
All right.
Man, I really touch this thing.
Good idea, Tom. Just chuck it in there.
Well, it's not like it was neat and orderly in there before.
No, I agree. Chuck it in, close it up, bury it. You're done. I just have
You
to
know, that's
consider that
amazing.
cool.
I didn't know the lid was all in one piece.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
didn't
the
know.
lid
So
luckily
it's basically
stayed.
just
Yeah.
the sides that were all.
Yeah.
I could see that dude. I don't know him very well.
There it is.
Hold
Is
on
it
to
the
that
same
cord.
pocket watch? Did you
Yeah.
check?
Same
Okay.
one.
Yeah.
I think Joe broke it because it's not closing now on this
No,
side.
that was me.
Oh, I blamed it on Joe.
Well, actually, it was Jeff.
But I blame it on Joe.
All right, so
Why, you don't think that's going to matter, do you?
no.
Yeah, I mean it's still
Unless a
whole.
spring fell out.
That picture's still in there, though, right, Lar?
I don't know. I didn't check that. I'll check that in a minute. All right, so that nickel that we found, that coin. When Joe gets back with the other coin, we'll get that in there.
What about the bullet casings?
I just drew that drop.
Okay.
In there. How do you open this? Oh, there you go. I know it's still
What
there.
else is in there?
Oh,
Still
okay,
there.
good. It's still in there.
Okay.
I think that's everything that I know of.
Lar, what do you think about the teeth and the hair?
I don't think they were they weren't in the box.
We
I
don't
mean,
know where they were. You brought them up while you were grading.
Yeah, but that was later on. I can't believe.
Well, what
that.
if they
Do you want
were?
them? Because I'll run out and get them.
Well,
You want to throw
I
them
don't
in there
think it
too, Larry?
would hurt to.
No, because I don't think that they were anywhere.
I don't think they were
Oh,
either. Oh, damn.
Well,
Sorry. That's all right.
I'm gonna sneak up on you.
That's all right. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm sorry. You guys are doing such a great job.
Somebody's gonna lose a toe.
yeah, it's probably gonna be mine. Dude, put the dirt over by you.
Why? One big pile.
Why are you putting? Ooh, I just hit a hollow spot.
This is going way easier than I thought it was gonna be. 100% honest with you.
Yeah, seems like me and Jeff.
Oh, I think I'm digging dirt too, dude.
Yeah, the root there.
Oh, so you got a root
Well,
problem.
it seems like it's softer than I thought it was going to be. I
How
thought
deep should we bury this thing?
I think you should go a lot deeper
I mean, this thing
than
was
just the size of the box because it was down pretty far.
I think that just as long as it's like buried and you can't see it.
Tom, I
I'm
like
running
your
out of
thinking.
soft ground over here. We gotta make it big enough. It's like an anthill. It's like you dig a little bit and it all just caves in. Is that a rock?
There's a big one there.
Oh no, that's
Sweet potato.
Sorry,
Yeah,
Jeff.
sweet potato. What is that? I got something. No.
Yeah, I was going to say, what if there's other stuff that belongs in that
And we're
box?
burying it along with it. I feel like I'm eating most of this dirt.
Yeah, I can taste it.
I think
This thing hits my fingers.
What do you think? Is that far enough?
Well, you could do a test drop sideways in there. Turn on side.
No, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's got to go a little deeper.
Deeper, guys. Oh, my back is killing me.
I got roots. Oh, yeah, no, I do it. I got roots. Not very good at shoveling, I don't think. Yeah, that's the one. Look at that thing. You angry? You okay? Can we rub
It's
it
not
for you?
really, actually.
Get better?
It's just strange.
Oh, it was very strange for me too.
Let me chop it. Got nothing left. That one there chop's really good, Jeff. The one that Joe has.
Oh.
But it doesn't when it's just sitting there.
I
You
missed
gotta actually hit
I
it.
missed it.
That. That's,
Why are you hitting it in the middle?
Well, his neck is getting in the way.
Here, hold this.
Oh, my beer. I think you got through it. Oh no!
Oh,
Oh boy.
Oh my god.
Did you take it off?
what happened?
No, it fell off. Thanks, Jeff.
That's weird.
It broke.
That is weird. Let me see if I can break this thing.
Don't hurt your back. Oh, there you go.
Yo,
Oh, nice job.
that's pretty solid, dude.
Thanks. We good?
I think we're good.
I think we're probably far enough, right?
Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it?
Hey guys.
Wait a minute, Lara. Don't put it in there yet. Lara,
No, look at the shape of the hole.
What?
the eye's got to go in
Look at
there.
the shape of the hole.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted to make sure it's deep enough.
Oh.
Definitely
That's
deep
perfect.
enough.
Look at the shape of the hole. They're not weird to anybody else. Is an eye? Is that not an eye shape?
Yeah.
Okay, who's got the eye?
It's over there.
It's still in the bucket.
Who's
Oh,
grabbing
over
it?
there.
Joe, you need to grab it. You
Joe's
Well,
got
no,
grabbing
that's
it.
because
You
you're
got the
first.
hand.
Yeah, you got
Like-
the hand.
I'm not
The hand
touching
has
it.
to get the eye.
I'm not touching it, Joe. You get it.
I got it. I got it.
Here, wait a second. Wait before you pick it up.
I see it's right there. Why did you put it in your face for?
Actually, holy water, you thinking this.
No, it is. I got it from the church. Did you? Yeah. You know where they baptize the babies and stuff? Yeah.
Now they both have to go in there, Joe.
Okay.
This right here. In the hole.
In the box.
In the box.
Oh, it's in the hole now.
Put it in fast.
He
Yeah,
put it in the
I'm
hole.
not ready. Ooh, crap.
You almost punched me in the face, dude.
All right. It's in the box.
All right. Hold it. Wait. Whoa.
Now the hand needs to go in.
Yeah.
What? Give me it. What are you doing?
This has to go in the box.
That's what keeps everything safe. Put your little hooks on.
Seal that thing.
Spray it down too, Larry.
I am going to once it gets in the hole.
Oh, that's.
Okay.
That's all
Do you put the sage on top of the box
Yep.
or
All spirits we are locking in here.
wait a minute? Where's the chain?
Oh, crap.
Who
You
carried
got-
the tree?
I did. It's over here somewhere.
Oh, come on.
Hold on. Well, I can't see now.
That's so weird.
What happened?
I guess the battery
There it is.
died. Well, somehow. I thought I fully charged it.
Well, let me try to wrap it around a little bit.
Here's the ground sage. Right
I
above
did
you.
the salt. All spirits stay inside the box where you belong. Don't bother us no more.
Good to cover.
Yep.
I gotta help you some.
Yes. Why are you putting this shovel? I feel him pinching me. Now, who should step on it?
Amen.
Should be me.